At Nucor, our distinct corporate culture has driven us to become North America's largest steel producer and recycler, proudly ranking among the Fortune 150. To strengthen our team and ensure future success, Nucor has developed the Nucor Technical Academy.
The Nucor Technical Academy is a great program that prepares you for your future career with Nucor. Getting to go to school and then have on-the-job training on a daily basis, it's really beneficial.
First joining the Nucor Technical Academy at 18, I had a lot of nervous doubts and wasn't really sure if this is what I wanted to do, but 2 years later, growing confidence and really learning the craft, I really know this is what I want to do.
The Nucor Technical Academy is a 2-year program located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Here, students undergo classroom technical training at Shelton State Community College while pursuing an applied science degree in electrical technology. Our program attracts students from across the country by offering compelling incentives, such as full paid room and board, coverage of tuition and books, compensated on-the-job training, and even wages for attending classes.
No other really apprenticeship program that I know of pays you to go to school. So that was a big hit for me. And traveling, I had never been outside of where I lived.
You know, you're networking, making new friends, and really learning things about life that you wouldn't understand or know if you were to stay at home and do something like this.
Shelton State Community College is a nationally accredited HBCU and boasts state-of-the-art facilities. Our instructors bring decades of industry experience to the table, ensuring top-notch education and training.
Instructors here at Shelton State are very patient with you and give you a good opportunity to learn everything before just hitting you with a test or something like that.
The technology at Shelton is really awesome. Some of the stuff they have there is very similar to the stuff that we have here at the mill. We get to work on it while we're here and then also at school.
Like, you get to use trainers, you get to use robots, you get to program on actual PLC that you'll see in the mill.
On-the-job training will take place at Nucor Steel Tuscaloosa and your sponsor mill. Our experienced Nucor teammates will provide hands-on training, offering you the opportunity to learn directly from industry leaders.
When you go in the mill, you've had the schooling, you've had the training, you know at least a little bit what you're looking at, or you might know exactly what you're looking at.
Being able to learn it and then apply it sometimes the next day at work it really helps out a lot.
The skills that we're learning here, I think that they're going to be really beneficial and almost give us a step ahead of anyone else, you know, coming off the street, and it's really setting us up to have a successful career.
After graduating from the Nucor Technical Academy, you'll find yourself well prepared for the exciting Nucor job opportunity that awaits you.
Nucor Technical Academy is going to give you all the schooling and all the training to prepare you for anything that you may come across in the work field.
It's the best thing in the world for me knowing that I would have a job after I got through school, so that's what really sold it for me.
My dream coming out of the Nucor Technical Academy would have to be being the best teammate I can be and being very reliable for my team. It really means a lot to me.
And there's so many opportunities. You can't go wrong.